Warning: the topics discussed in this video deal with many areas that may be sensitive in nature to some viewers. All content is copyright protected to Swords of St. Michael Lay Ministry and Father Chad Ripperger, Ph.D. To contact or support Father Chad Ripperger at the Society of the Most Sorrowful Mother, www.dolorans.org. This information is presented for education purposes with the express intent to aid the viewer in understanding spiritual warfare based on Thomistic teachings, deliverance, current church practice, and the office of exorcism. Peace and good. Sister Farah, OFS, OSDE.
Sometimes you can just say some prayers over people, which I've done, where the possession is mild enough. You say the prayers, just some minor deliverance prayers even, and boom, the guy is out. Other times it takes years. So, and they can go on for quite a while. So when they go on for a little while, the church says there's essentially 5 things it says in the ritual you want to learn. The first is how many there are, because more than one demon can possess a person at a time. And also, the same demon can possess a number of different people at the same time. I've actually had that, where one demon was possessing 2 different people I was working with at the same time.